On my stand, I have my X-Max still, almost my large scale. I have these stands for them, rigid stands. I got them at Home Depot, pretty cheap. Got some time this morning. I'm gonna go ahead and try to install these shocks on camera before I get interrupted with the kids. Hopefully I can sneak off and get this done real quick. But yeah, so got my X-Max, haven't ran it yet. I still haven't done my XT90 connectors on it, but I'm gonna try to get that done. So I give my first one on this car, on this truck. All right, again, I'll be installing some Fullforce Rc accessories. Again, it's fullforcerc.com, and I got a lot of parts, not just the Traxxas, Arrma, Teamassociated, you name it, bunch of stuff, from shock covers to bearings to body savers. I mean, you name it. Go check it out. Got a lot of good stuff on there. I know somebody asked me before if it was aluminum, but this is actually like a hard plastic. All right, it's for the GoPro mount. All right, I got shock covers. I got the orange. I'm gonna go and put it on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. Take the body off. All right, body off. Put it down over here, and then go ahead and remove the front wheel. I've always had questions about what tools I use. I mean, I just have some energy, wheel wrench, dynamite, you know, speed, you know, bit stuff and all that. I just use whatever works. I mean, I don't really have a particular brand I use in terms of, you know, tools. If it works great, I'll use it. I even use car tools, Snap-on, the Blue Point, I mean, you name it, doesn't matter. If it works, man. So, all right. I actually kind of loosen up the wheel nut. I was trying to take it off, but I realized I'm gonna do all that on camera. Get the wheel nut off. Pop the wheels off. That's gonna tilt to one side, no weight. The wheels off. All right, so then this is the shock here, the spring. All right, so you can just go ahead, see what size it is. All right, so I believe this is a 2.0. All right, bit. Go ahead and remove the shock, it'll make it a lot easier. I may not remove the top shock, just the bottom, slide it out and try to get it out that way. But we'll see if I can get it done that way, guys. All right, then you just push the pin through from the back, and you grab it through the front. All right, put the shock, see the pin right here? Comes right out. There you go. Put it nice and neat. And then here comes the shock. Shock slides up. Now, there's another screw here, fastened to keep the little retainer on. So I'm gonna take that off, and then hopefully slide the shock spring right out of there. And then I can put the shock loop on and keep the shock piston and all that good stuff nice and clean while we're out there running. All right, so let's see. All right, pop it up. Just push the bottom up, and then it slides out like the regular shocks. Alrighty. Nice and easy. This spring has a lot of tension on it. Alright, there you go. So you slide that out the bottom. You see that? Alright. Put it all together, and then here comes the shock. Just like that. Boom. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is, let me open up the package here. Get the shock sleeve off. Alright, that one out. So I'm gonna try to keep the seam on the inside where you don't really see it. So what you do is you get your spring, slide it over. Alright. And then you try to slide it all the way up. Just pull. Go. It's not that hard, it's probably just me. Alright, there we go. You just pull it on up, guys. Alright. It's pretty stretchy, pretty good material. It's made up. I really love the design and the graphics on these shock sleeves. Alright, and for me, I would like to try and keep it even on both sides as far as how much material is on each end. What you do is just tuck it in like that. And that's about it, guys. All right, and again, for me, I'm gonna keep the seam on the inside. That way it's not showing on the front. All right, so I'll probably do it this way. Lightning coming down. All right, then you just take it, slide it back on up, just like that. All right, then you take one piece. All right, and you slide that on too, guys. And then with the X-Maxx, it has like a little groove that's on the end of the rod that slits right in the middle here. All right, so try to keep that same position, guys. All right, get that up. Started wrong. All right, there you go. And that's pretty much it, guys. She's on there. Go ahead and put the shock back in. Put the shock pin, and then we're pretty much good to go, guys. All right, just gotta line up everything. Put the pin back in. Oh no, actually, see, so gotta put the screw back in there. Keeps that cup on. All right. It's a really good accessory, guys. Like I said, this truck hasn't been ran yet, so I'm glad I was able to put this shock boot on, because I know after I'm running this truck, man, the shock gets super dirty, and I like to keep my trucks and cars clean. So that'll be also able to slide that back in like so, and then just put the retaining screw back in, and then that is it, guys. That's pretty much all it is for installing the shock boot. It's very easy. It's a great accessory to have for your trucks. Keep the shock pistons clean, all that good stuff. And yeah, guys, so it's pretty much it. See that? See the lightning coming down. Pretty nice. You put the wheel back on, and that's all you do for that accessory. I'll do the others off camera just to save time. I'm gonna try to get the GoPro mounted up. You can see what that looks like before the kids come down and like break time or something. So I'm sneaking this video in for you guys, man. Plus I really want to get it done also. All right, so put the body on. All right, that's what she looks like, guys. Real nice and subtle. It's not too crazy. It's not overly done. Like for me, I like to keep I don't like to be too flashy, so it looks really good. I like it. Let's just move on real quick to the GoPro mount. All right, see if I can see how this thing goes on. I've never had one of these. Like I said, normally I just mount the GoPro right up to the top. See if I can get one of my old ones so we can see what I normally do with it. So this is my head mount one. I'm trying to find that GoPro, guys. Here it is, hiding. All right, so this is the one I normally put onto the car. All right, so I'll get the adhesive size. You see what I normally would put on it. A bag of GoPro accessories right here. All right, so normally I use one of these guys. I put it on the roof, stick it onto the roof. It's pretty strong. I mean, these things are super strong. It doesn't get off of there once it's on. And then I mount the GoPro right on top, just like that, how I normally run it. But with the new setup, let me turn the truck around so you get a better view of what I'm talking about. All right, so the new setup it actually sits back here, I believe, around these Nerf bars, roll bars, whatever those are called. Alright, so let me see how this goes. And it comes with stickers, both of the shock covers, and most of the accessories you buy will come with some stickers for you. Definitely put one of those on there. Comes with a nice screw as well. Alright, so basically, let's see. So I guess it goes just like that. So snaps right in. Oh, it's pretty strong, guys. It's pretty on there. Oh wow. You can adjust it a little bit, but it snaps in there pretty good, guys. Wow. Okay. Yep. So that's pretty much how that goes. And then basically get your GoPro mount and you go ahead and stick it on top. So let me see if I can find an accessory that will work with this right now quick, and I'll get right back with you guys. Alright, so I did find one of these guys. I believe should work. Let's go right in there. So I guess so what it looks like, put the screw at the bottom, and then this goes ahead and screws right in the GoPro mount. Get your screwdriver and tighten that down. Alright. Make sure I get the orientation properly. Goes like that. Alright. And then we get it off of this mount here. Yeah, this thing pretty secured. I think my son's about to come downstairs. Alright. And then, as I said, my GoPro will go right there. On there. Just a quick test fitting. Alright, get on there nice and snug. Tighten this down. That's pretty much it with that. Snaps in. So I'll do a test adjustment on it to see exactly how it looks on the screen, but it's pretty nice and neat though. It's not as tall, as high in the air as my old one would be. Doesn't have a little protection from, from nice to roll over, and I guess the camera angle definitely comes right over the truck. So I really do like the way the setup is, the way it looked. To be honest with you, I said, I mean, once I get it out there and running, we'll see, how it handles. If I'm sure I'm going to crash. So when it crashes, see how it handles it. But I definitely do like this setup. It's removable. You don't have to have this thing stuck on the top of the roof. Yeah, and I actually do like it a lot. So I can't wait to try it out. Again, I got to put my XT90 connectors on it. All my batteries are XT90s right now, so go ahead and do that. And then, yeah, man, can't wait to get it running. Definitely really good GoPro mount. I like the blue. Had some like blue accents on the top. And definitely accents throughout the truck, and it definitely matches up pretty good with the blue on the truck. So give you a little close-up look. Got the shock in there, then you got the blue GoPro mount right here, and it is not metal. It is like hard plastic. Somebody asked me before, but yeah, guys. So again, thanks for watching, man. Quick little install. So this is snaps in, screws the bottom. So you guys saw how to do the shock covers on it. Like I said, I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. I don't want to make a long, lengthy video, but it'll all be the same on all four corners. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely catch you guys on the next one. All right, thank you.